Skinnies, what? Oh my gosh. What up, world? Welcome back to another episode of Skinny's World. You see that car? It's not a real cop car. It's a street sweeper. And we're headed to Origins right now, and that is our escort into the building. Hang on tight, guys. This vlog is gonna get crazy, I'm telling you. It's in San Diego. Everybody's in my town. I'm super excited. Without further ado, let's stop talking. Let's get driving. Let's get it. Poppin', baby! Oh my God! What? About. This is like out of a movie right now. Fast and Furious, you name it. You get on the road, you hit the streets, no matter what type of car you have. It's so fun, man. This is why I do it, man. I love it. Let's go. Thing. Can you guys read that? It says to protect and swerve. We have arrived, baby. It is poppin'. We got a police escort with the lights on.
I'ma keep winning. I'ma keep winning. I'ma keep winning. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself.
Yeah, you gon' need 100 men, 100 scopes, 100 cans just for you to watch what I'm doing.
They going in it. Look at that. Oh my God. You gonna take me in the pit? You gonna take me in the pit? Let's go. You do it big all the time, man. This is crazy.
A little bit of everything, you know.
Crazy.
A little bit of everything.
Hey, thanks for coming to San Diego, man. We don't get this stuff down here, man. Coming to the city and killing it, man. When you guys see Origins posts, like, if you're not coming, you're slacking. Because this is out of control. Oh my God. Holy crap. Give me a little high five. Hey! Let's go. Oh, shoot! Oh!
Limbo contest. You got a low car.
How low can you go?
Want to win $100? Line it up.
$100?
We're gonna be starting in about
$100? Let's go, Jack.
Oh, I'm finna go right now.
Pay for the gas down here, baby.
Slow
down a little bit, man. Okay.
Go back around.
All right. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Little Fast and Furious vibes right here.
Anybody want to help her out? Get in the car.
Oh man,
Right, wait,
man, you eliminated her already? That's cold, yo.
That's That's cold.
Man. I like the whip though. No. Wah, wah. Oh, now you drop it. Oh, the Corvette. Oh, yeah, you're good. No New Balances. No New Balances in there? Oh, come on, man. My bad.
You're on back, just air out already.
Oh, eliminated. Dang. What in the world? We got another recorder recording the lot. I can lay on your hood.
Open the truck.
Man, I'll get in the trunk. Why not? I'll help you out. Come on, man. Oh, hold on. I got fresh kicks on. It ain't that clean in there. I can't ruin the kicks, Josh. You can't do it. You hop in there?
Come on, man. Might have to give him a little bounce, dog.
Why not? I'm in. Let's go.
I came about to force
I'm in. I want some of the money if you win. Oh, shoot.
Hey, look.
Oh, we gotta close it? Oh, my God. I'm in.
All right, hey, I gotta close it.
I'm in. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Yeah, baby. Yeah, we made it. We got that dog. Oh, you gotta let me out now? Oh, shoot!
We made it, baby!
Yeah! And we're back. This is the same Corvette the other event I went to?
No, I didn't win. I lost my fucking.
Oh, you did. You lost, right. You lost to the Miata. How many are in there? Wait.
We here for the win. We come to win.
Wait, hold on. Stop flexing that bitch. Become a ballerina.
Anything for the win. Oh my God. Amazing. Oh my God. That's why I moved Josh and I on this side so we don't get the smoke in our face. I'm trying to be smart about it.
I hate smelling like that.
Right? Dang, Will, everybody's waiting for the flames,
I know,
yo.
man, shoot.
This is crazy.
Should have bought a Gen 1 already, dude.
I haven't seen Will throw flames in person yet. I've seen all his videos, and it shoots like massive flames. So you guys are in for a treat.
Some flames are gonna be outside.
Wild right now. It's just madness right now. contest yet, and they're going in already in the back. Wow. I told you guys, it's gonna get crazy. I told you. Slide dog.
You know, I wonder if that's you know, this is like a ringer situation where it's like, oh, I'm gonna do everything better than the supercar. Close my engine up.
Right? He is ready. He got the red light for destruction. Two-step. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go.
Something like a race, steady bumping biggie bass, try to keep it biggie pace. Running up spit, they coming up making that bit of set, so we came to get it poppin'. These niggas got the LP, I'm rolling with God. Like I'm preaching the wheelchair, shining like a necklace. Mama sees syphilis, special shit like the exorcist. See I'm the shit, ain't no need to get in depth for this. I got a wardrobe full, I'm addressing this. Nancy, what it look like? Pass me what I don't like, cash me what I don't like. You last me but I hold tight. I'm happy to focus, steadily bogus. Black MCs try to fuck with the dopest, that's me.
Alright. What do you guys think about the Miata?
Oh, poor Miata.
What do you guys think about the R8? Alright, Miata, pull it forward, pull it forward.
What the heck is coming through? Let's see what this is.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Earplugs. Oh, shit. Smart man. You're looking out.
I got you.
Oh my god. I feel like this. Oh my god. This car. Oh. What?
Yeah.
He said he caught on fire in his back. They got water.
Are you guys ready?
Why is eyes are burning. Bro. My eyes are burning, yo. Go again. All right, that spot was not a good spot for me. My eyes are burning from the gasoline. Going back to the original spot, where it's much safer. Oh, are you giving it another go?
Bring it forward, bring it
Give
forward.
it another go.
Another way, bro.
Hey man, the sheepy race sticker boy is gonna scare them all.
I know, right up.
Boy, Moab is coming back at it again. All right, I got my earbuds in.
Yeah, I'm good.
It's about to get real. Oh man, safety first. Safety first.
I like hot first.
Safety first. What the heck is going on? 4 exhaust tubes. Holy crap. I have a feeling this is gonna get a little out of control. A little out of control. In a good way. I thought someone's gonna get lit on fire back there. Oh my God. Oh, there is 8. What? No way. Not 4, there's 8. Holy crap, dude. I told you. What? Just backing up. He's ready to shoot. Backing up and shooting flames. Backing up. God, why is this so loud? What the heck? Oh my God. Helping her out, look at it. She's recording, you got the ears plugged. Me too. Safety first. Just saying. That is the worst spot. All gasoline. Origins, baby.
On the card. Mark, you're the king of San Diego. How do you feel?
I don't know, I feel good. This is all God working. God works miracles, and I'm here for Him. So.
Put another 7 exhaust on?
Yeah, 12. We're doing 12 exhaust tips now. I'm kidding.
12?
All right. We're gonna wrap it up with every single car going up. Are you guys ready for that?
Oh no, no. Wow. Still going down. Wow.